back again. Woo. Right, today I'm going to be using Spitfire. It's still November, but being the last 2 months I've been very ill. Still not 100%, but there you go. Whew. Yeah, still. Whew. Turn that down that way. Right, so I'm going to use a Rockwell 6C with take that off. With plate 6 and 2-pass shave. I can't, you know, it's so right. Wet the face. Oh. So I've already lathered up, so that fucking takes it away, that does. Right. That there. Don't drop any on the floor. Beautiful. Oh, that's gone for a bucket bit. Lost a hell with you. Lost a lot of weight. I threw that bastard inside me. Fucking hell, it's all over the fucking place. Oh, never mind. Ooh. That there. Oh, fucking stay up. Fuck's sake. Right. I got the parasite in the Philippines, but I was given some medication over there, which put it into a dormant state for 2 fucking months. Then at the end of September, I think it was, beginning of October, the bastard woke up and I became that ill that quick. It was because I kept on saying to him, "Nah, I'll be alright, I'll be alright." So she said, "I gotta go for, you need a blood test." So I went for a fucking blood test and oh man. Then alarm bells. Blood test came back. Alarm bells started ringing. So I had to go into hospital. And I found out I had a fucking amoebic dysentery. So the parasite had moved from my intestine to my liver, where there was an abscess and my liver was full of pus. So it was, but I was stuck in A&E for 20 hours. I'll just put that fuck in there, right? Somebody whose life was at risk was stuck in A&E for 20 hours. But I don't blame that on the fucking nurses or the doctors. I blame that on the fucking system. too many chiefs and not enough Indians. So that's the first pass. So they put me on. I'd become very dehydrated and anemic, where I'd lost a lot of blood because it come through my bowel. And I mean, it was just like, you know, I can't go into detail, but I lost a lot of blood. Clots a lot, just say that. It was fucking frightening. Then I was in hospital for 2 days. They had me on, what do they call it? I forgot what they call it now. Potassium chloride and the other one, I can't remember the name, and loads of bloody antibiotics before I came out. So pumping 7 litres of the, you know, the stuff, and what was it, about 1 litre of antibiotics. So now I've got slight nerve damage in my arm from all the shit going in. So I hope that becomes right, because I can't do a 3-pass shave because I know and I can't go that way or that way because I know I'll cut myself to shit, because I can't, you know, the pressure. Then I came out, and then about a week later, boom, stomach was in utter shit pain. Then I had to go on codeine, then, you know, painkillers like. Then the doctor said I gotta go back in hospital, the local GP, and then I was sent back in. And I said I had to go in ambulance because I couldn't sit in the car because I was in so much pain with my stomach. And then the call for an ambulance, 24 fucking hours. So I was still at home when the doctor rang, and she said, are you not in hospital yet? I said, no. I said, I've been waiting for the ambulance. Well, she said, you'll have to get somebody to take you in. So then my brother-in-law took me in, then found out I had something wrong with my lungs. So, because I don't know, they can't find out what it is. They thought I had that lung disease, what do they call it? I can't remember the name of it now. But I lost a lot of weight and my features had gone. It looked like I had stage 4 cancer, and I fucking thought I did because I was fucking shitting myself. But it found out it was that fucking parasite. But they put me on loads of antibiotics, and well, better carry on with the shave, I mean. And the antibiotics, they're that strong that it caused body, you know, tiredness and fatigue. I can feel it in my fucking arms now. Whew. But my features look like I had stage 4 cancer. My wife was fucking in tears. When I was in hospital, she fucking thought I was going to die like. But lucky, thanks to the doctors and the nurses, they saved my fucking life. So the NHS isn't all bad, it's just the fucking system and the admin fuckers. Sorry to say it. The doctors and nurses try to do their best, but the fucking system's shit. I'm afraid of that. Right. Cross. I'm still trying to go lately, you know. Ooh, fucking, put a bit of heat in that fucking blade. Yeah. Beautiful scent on this. So hopefully I'm going back to work next Wednesday, because I gotta go back and try and build myself up, because I can't be sitting at home on my fucking ass. I've been walking about like that. Fucking hell shit, my missus had me walking up steps yesterday. Like 39 fucking steps. Oh no, 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 no. Not that way. I'm not going to chase BBS because I know I'll end up cutting myself. Just doing that. I'd love to, but it'll start receding anyway. So that's where I've been for 2 months. Oh, that'll do. Still got stumble that way, but I'm not fucking chasing it because I know I'll cut myself to shit. It's acceptable. That'll do. Yeah. Clean the chin and all that. That'll do. That'll weep of that. Right. Oh, exhausted now. Oh, right. Spitfire splash. Right on my arms. Beautiful scent. Oh. Leather. Oh, smell tobacco. And then post-shave lotion. A bit more. Oh, lovely. And then to finish off, some Spitfire solid cologne. So get that off. Right. Put that there. No, you dickhead. And there. And some of the base here. So hopefully, hopefully I get a better thing, but I can't see me making another video now for, we'll be making one next week. I just made one to say hello. Right, take care all, bye for now, thanks for watching, bye.